Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread step by step. Begin by gathering flour, water, yeast, salt, and any mix-ins, then measure accurately and set a warm proofing spot. Mix to form a shaggy dough, knead until smooth and elastic, then rest and proof until doubled. Shape, give a final rise, and bake in a preheated oven for a deep golden crust and flavorful crumb. Start by combining flour, water, yeast, and salt in a bowl and mixing until a shaggy mass forms. Transfer to a clean surface and knead by hand or with a dough hook, pressing, folding, and turning until the dough is smooth and elastic. This usually takes several minutes, but dough feel matters more than time. Resting between kneads and keeping the dough slightly tacky will yield a light, well-structured crumb. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl and cover to proof until it doubles in size, which can take 1 to 2 hours depending on temperature. Gently deflate and shape the loaf, then allow a second rise until puffy. Preheat the oven and bake the bread until the crust is deep golden and a kitchen thermometer reads about 200 degrees F internally. Let cool before slicing to preserve crumb structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.